Alright, this is going to be very short. This is going to be a very, very short thing. I just want to do some testing. So I'm sending you guys a link. And we're just going to test something very quickly. I just need to get enough people in here.
By the way, you need to reconfigure your servers because it's not filled each server because me and Gavin joined a different server instead of joining yours the first time.
Based.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna be the driver of this. Someone be my gunner. Someone be my gunner. Get in. Get in the gunner seat. It's WASD. It's WASD to go. Oh, there's another tank coming. Come on. Come on, get in. I need a gunner. I require a gunner now. Get in the gunner seat. There you go. Okay. It's WASD. WASD and F to fire.
It takes me so long to join a Roblox game.
Do. Oh, he's on mobile. Yeah, mobile does Snow, get in here. Come on, let's blow up these losers. Let's go.
Oh, I'm not at 1 FPS in Roblox. I don't know what you're talking about. I can't do anything!
The tank steering, Doobie. Kill him! Kill him, he's running at us! Attack! To your left! To your left! To your left!
It's fine, the camera's not in the tank anymore.
What do you mean it's not in the tank? Did I spin it too
it's
much?
Not in the tank.
Get out of the seat. Get out of the seat. It's fine. What are you talking about?
Let me try again. Give me another try.
Oh, jeez. You literally can't function simple hardware.
Oh, by the way, the tank's transparent for everybody, just so you know.
Oh, it is. Interesting. That's not supposed to happen. Alright. Blow them up.
Not supposed to be inside of be able to see inside of people's tanks. Never
Yeah, I know why that's wrong. I know why that bug exists.
You move too much when you press each key.
Hold down shift. I added a slow button. If you hold down shift, it goes nice and slow.
Oh.
There you go.
But I don't have the FPS for that. What a shame.
There you go. So this is my new destructible tank system. Yeah, it's got destruction physics, so each piece of the tank can come off if it's damaged enough. And also my new turret system, which you can control. As you can see, Snow is controlling this turret. And so one person can drive, and the other person can aim. Hit him. Hit him!
The camera stopped moving. Here, you do it for a bit. It freezes after a bit. You do it.
Snow, we are being attacked. Snow.
I can't get in. Your face is fat.
My face is fat? What are you talking about? Okay, just control the tank. Oh god. The challenge of trying to fire while someone is moving. Oh, it does. It does actually stop moving. Is it after you fire it breaks?
I fired twice.
Oh, maybe it's when it's hit with a missile it breaks. Huh. Interesting. I'm going to have to diagnose why this happens.
That sounds very fun. Like, we're going off a jump. Obviously not the big one, because we don't have.
What the hell?
Spike.
I'm not a fan of the bugs.
You wanna know what'd be hilarious?
If we destroyed everyone.
If we just... You should get back in. You should get back in.
The SMGs are actually able to damage the SMGs are able to damage the tanks as well. It just takes a lot.
Right. There's so many people in the game.
I wonder if it breaks whenever someone spawns a tank. 1 second, can you start aiming?
Huh?
Can you start aiming so that I can like see if it breaks when I hit this? Okay, are you aiming?
This one's broken. Let's not get in this one. Camera fell out of it.
It's going to be very hard to test this. No, they blew up the car. This is so sad. I cannot believe this. Oh.
I'm in one.
Are you moving the turret around?
Yeah.
Okay, now when I spawn this, tell me if it breaks. No?
No, nothing.
Alright, keep doing that.
Spinning in circles. I love this.
Keep going, keep spinning. Tell me if it stops working. No, it's still working?
Yeah, it's still working.
So it seems to have to do with moving then. So if I start driving, tell me how long until it breaks.
Still going.
Alright, fire a few times. You hit our own tank.
Shut up.
Absolute genius. How is it lagging?
After like 3 fires, it breaks.
Interesting. So it is, you have to fire for it to break.
Uh-oh, now my camera's broken. Okay, I fixed it.
That's an interesting bug.
Yeah.
I am curious what's causing that. Oh, my Roblox game is so popular. Look at all the people on it.
Fight, keep driving.
Ah!
Okay, get back in. Oh, it's broken. It's broken. It broke when you died.
It broke when I died?
Oh, it's because it's C? No?
I don't know. It's something interesting.
One.
It's probably gonna be a lot of work to get everything working properly.
Why would you kill me?
Because I felt like you deserved it.
Oh, that's not nice. Oh, by the way, my tank is basically completely done. You're gonna have to teach me how to do the fancy stuff.
Yeah. Alright, let's see. If I go... Oh god, there's so many bugs. Okay, if I go onto this... Gunner seat. Gunner seat. There we go.
How many tanks can you spawn?
Yeah, if you're moving... It's if you're moving and then fire at the same time. Yep, that's it. It's if you move and...
That's a pretty bad problem.
Oh wait, it didn't happen that time.
It happens on like... It depends on which direction you're moving, I think.
Oh, you can go upside down. That's kind of neat.
Oh!
See, now I'm not having the problem anymore.
Because you're not moving.
Oh, there it goes. Broke.
Oh.
I wonder if there's like any... Is there a way to pull up console in Roblox? In a game?
Yeah, there is. There's a console in Roblox Studio.
No, not in Roblox Studio. In this, so that I can see the errors.
You can't in this, no.
But then how would I see the
Actually,
errors?
I think there might actually be. I forget how.
There's gotta be a
There's a
way.
way to pull up some command thing. Let me check. Oh, are you doing that?
/ console or F9. Ah!
Maybe there was a way because it accidentally pulled it up before.
I don't see any errors though.
Does an error pop up after rotating for a bit?
Well, I'm gonna see, but I don't see any. Nope.
Unbroken, no error.
I switched from turning left to turning right at the same time. Perhaps.
Yeah, that happened. I think that might actually be the problem. Never mind.
This is so odd.
I almost killed you.
Oh, and it broke again.
It's when you go left to right. So I think the code's overlapping or something.
No.
When you go left to right.
It literally, the camera literally disconnects from
Yeah.
the, which is really odd. The camera stops tracking properly, but there's no error at all.
Could the code just be overlapping and it?
That's not really how that
kinda do
works.
two things at once.
All right, one sec. I'm gonna look at some code. All right, so in the turret, I moved this over to a module, so it should be easier to fix this. Replicated storage, cannon module. Well, actually, it's not the cannon breaking. It's the
Camera.
It's the camera script, which is on the seat. That's even more annoying. So on the server storage, mini tank, turret, client turret script. So let's look at this code. All right, so when someone enters the seat, it does on enter seat, and then it only does it if it's the local. I wonder if it's when someone else jumps out of a seat. That would almost make sense.
Somebody test it with me.
Okay, one second. Snow, go into a gunner seat.
Okay.
Right.
I'm in one.
Okay, just keep going.
These people are having a good
All
time.
right. So jump out of your seat. That's it. It's stopping everyone's camera. It's stopping it for everyone when you leave a seat.
Wow.
Okay, I can fix this. Wow, what great debugging. But why would it do that? That's so odd, because does that mean that it... Okay, so when someone leaves a seat, it unbinds from the render step. Oh, okay, yep. Here we go. I was missing it. Okay, all right, everyone leave the server. I'm pushing an update.
You can just close. There's a thing where you can close.
Oh yeah,
all servers.
close place.
Or just
Boom.
restart. There's a thing where you can hit restart all servers.
Oh wait, that wasn't the button.
No, that was not. It's go to the server page, go to the game page, and then click the three dots. And then close all servers.
Welcome to development. Development with Spike. We're making a Roblox game. Welcome. I learned Lua over the last day, so I have 1 day of experience in Lua, and this is where I've gotten so far. Alright, so I can publish this new version to Roblox. Add PlayStation support. That seems a little advanced. Alright, so now I should be able to handle... I think there's a button, like, somewhere where you can do this. Where you can, like, kill the place. Game settings.
There is.
What's that? Shut down. There we go. Boom.
You did something right for once. Isn't that a shocker?
We did it. We did it. YouTube. Would you guys be interested in Roblox programming streams where we make incredible content of building this game? I can teach you guys how to program in Lua. I barely know how to program in Lua, so it'll be interesting. Who wants to be my gunner? Oh wait, let me fix the thing so that it doesn't turn transparent for everyone as well. That's annoying. So where's the thing that does the thing that turns everything transparent? This is the turret oh, and this is also going to have to be copied over to the one that's in the game. Okay. Slight things. I need to do some slight things. I gotta move this because for some reason you don't like connect scripts to things in Roblox. Everything is an actual physical copy of a script, which is really dumb. But that's okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and fix this. Okay, we're gonna fix that, and then we are going to go over to the mini tank vehicle script. Nope, that's not it. Tank steer. Okay, so in tank steer, there's this if in seat do this, but we need to actually check the player that's in the seat. So where is in seat? That's a good question. Oh, okay. Okay, so if I do if in seat dot occup, I have to do the stupid. Okay, I have to steal something from my other script to get the player from the thing that's in the seat. All right. Throw this helper in. And then we're also going to need the player service. Wow, we're coding, guys. We're coding. All right, so now we get the player that's in the seat. So if get player from humanoid in seat dot occupant. Oh wait, no, that is document. So if that is equal to our local player, which I don't remember how to get the local player, but it's gonna be over here. Local player, here we go. Oh, that's pretty simple. Okay, so we get the local player. We'll pop that up here, and then if it's not the local player, then we return and do nothing. Save this new tank steering script, and then we're gonna paste that into the one that actually gets cloned. If I can remember where that is. That's in here, here, boom. Okay, yay! Alright, let's publish this to Roblox, and then, no, anyone can join. You just gotta... I'll send you the link. Give me a moment. I have to, kill it. Boop. Alright. Let me... It's called Project Bricks for now. I think I'm probably gonna call it Valor, because that's a based name for a game. Alright. My bugs have been fixed. Alright. Bugs fixed. I'm going to get a tank because I want to be nice and protected. It's gonna crash. I didn't actually test the code. Because I'm too cool for that. Legitimately. Alright, Gav! Fire! Fire the... Okay! I have a gunner. I don't need more people than the gun. Oh, jeez. Alright. You're in charge of protecting us. I will steer as necessary. Blow them up. Wait, no, you're not gonna... Who's gonna... You gotta do the thing. You gotta fire at them! They're coming to kill us! Ah!
Guys, I'm facing a major issue. My mouse cursor does not move anymore.
Oh, it's not, you, WASD, it's WASD and F to fire. F to fire, my dude. And then shift to make it go slow so you can aim more easily. There you go. This did not turn invisible at all, but I guess that's better than it always turning invisible. Oh, no, it's not because that happens. Okay, let's figure out what I...
When you join, there's a crosshair on your screen. I thought that's something I should mention.
Attempt to index Boolean with parent. Set transparent with one drive. Line 72. 27. 27. 27. Oh. What? Odd. Okay, return if character equals nil, then return. It still doesn't explain why it didn't turn. Is that the only error? Alright, let's see what happens when I go into a tank. No, I need, oh! I need to test. I need to test. Okay, yeah. It freaked out, but did it freak out when I went into it? Or only when I left? Yeah. So, line 27, attempt to index Boolean with parent. What does that mean? Oh wait, attempt. Oh, because in C is a Boolean in this script. It's not a. Ah, okay. This is why. I'm stupid. But that's okay. Okay, we have the solution. It was a true or false. It wasn't actually a character that was being put into there. Okay, so now it'll work. Now it'll actually work. Honestly, the Roblox development experience has gotten really good. I hate to say it, but like the speed at which you can roll out a server and test is like really impressive. You can just like really do a lot. Sir, I just got here. All right, I need a gunner right now. No, why didn't it work? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. No error. What? How? Why? Why? I really should test these things. Okay. Something's wrong. Let's figure out what's wrong. If the player isn't the local player, then return. Oh, okay. Well, I'm stupid.
It's my camera bug every time I join.
Yeah, I screwed this up. Because it's bugged, it starts bugged. That's a problem I already... Just select the gun and then deselect the gun and it'll fix it.
No, but Roblox goes behind my browser, so I have to Alt F4 my browser to be able to control the game.
Crazy. Okay, so what we need to do is, if inseat is not equal to nil, then else oh god. Local is trans equals false, which stands for transparent, but yeah. Is trans equals true, and then this will do if it's not, if is trans equals false, then it'll return and do nothing because there's no reason for it to do anything. Okay. Okay, so if the player is not... Oh! Okay, this will work. I'm confident this will work. You can tell how stressed I am by how much I play with my hair. The back of my head is an absolute mess right now. No, it doesn't work. Why? Attempting to Boolean where? 27. Oh, shoot, because that one's separate. Okay, whoa, this is fine. Because... Which one did I just edit? It's this one. Gotta copy this over to the old one. This is why you use modules or whatever. It's fine, though. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Alright. It's gonna work. It did not work. Incredible. I cannot believe this. What the hell? Okay, what is going on? Okay. If inseat is not nil, then if the get player from humanoid is not return is transparent is true, for all the parts do the thing. All right, it's time to debug. Print got here. Like we have to actually do some effort here. Oh wow, it really just threw me. It just said no, you're not going in. Roblox physics are so consistent, said nobody ever. Okay, it's not getting there. It is not getting there. So that is a piece of evidence. Let's make sure we're actually editing the right thing too. Yeah, okay, so it never got here. So get player from humanoid in seat. Well, let's try this. Let's see if it gets to here. You shoot the tank by pressing F, and if you hold down shift, it's easier to control the gun. So it did get there. So now we've got an interesting situation where get player from humanoid in seat not equal to local player is true. But why? So let's look at get player from humanoid. Oh boy, it's always so much effort. We already have local player. Do we even have to do... Because this is a... Oh, I'm overcomplicating this. No, I'm not. I don't know. Players get player from character, return player. If character is nil, then end. Humanoid is nil, then return. Where is it going wrong? It's doing set transparent when drive with this seat.occupant. Did I spell something wrong? No. That's definitely it. So that's sending the occupant in, and then... Is it because I'm like redefining something twice? No, that's the only place where it's used. So what actually is the value of it? Curious. This is true debugging moment here. Oh yeah, that old gun is old. Don't worry about the brick gun. That was my testing gun. Okay, it says humanoid, so it definitely did get the humanoid. Okay, so if it has the humanoid, then get player from humanoid should run, right? This is very odd. Is seat correct? Okay, so the root is the script.parent, and that is the root.vehicle seat, which is correct. Okay. I mean, that's working for everything else, so that's definitely not the problem. This is so odd. I'm screwing something up. Local player. Oh, that's the problem. This ain't a client script. This isn't a client script. Which I was using a legacy script when I wrote this. So this is actually running on the server, which is why it's throwing an error. Now, we do want the controls. Okay, so I actually want to make a new script then. We're gonna call it, yeah, okay. I made a little bit of a mistake. We're gonna call this driver invisible, and we're actually going to put it on the seat. We're going to write a new script here to handle this that is actually properly a client script. So we're going to set this to client. All right, so let's redo this kind of whole thing. We don't need this anymore in here. Local seat here is actually just going to be the script.parent because it's attached to the seat itself. And then we are going to get fancy. So we're going to attach this, which basically says when the occupant changes, set the transparency. And then we're going to grab this script. and all we need to do is get the local player. The reason it wasn't working was because this is a server script, so the server doesn't have a local player because it's the server. So we need to get all of the parts and insert them into an array. Well, it's actually not an array, it's a table because this is Lua, but just deal with it. Okay, I think all I need to do is get this is a transparent thing over here. And this will work now. Except get player from humanoid, which I'm missing. Okay. This is good anyway. This is bringing the steering back to the steering. In programming, you generally want your scripts to handle like one thing. You don't want to muddle them up. I'm just going to delete this other mini tank because there's no reason to have one that I have to update things with separately. Okay, so now let's see what happens. I'm going to go spawn the tank. Attempt to index nil with get descendants. Okay, it's gonna have to get the parent of the seat. Okay. So it's gonna have to get the parent of the seat. Yeah, root. Okay, local root equals seat dot parent. Because it has to go through the entire tank and make every single piece of the tank transparent, which means it needs to go to the root of it. Okay, ready? Yes! Okay, kind of. I made some of it transparent, but not all of it transparent. That's kind of funny. Now it's just trolling. Okay, what did I do wrong? Root get descendants. If it's a base part, then insert. Why would it do that though? The seat, and then up to the parent, go through everything. Now I'm really confused. I feel like root get descendants isn't working properly, but I don't program Roblox enough to be sure of anything really. Okay, that made it far worse. Now it just does that one piece. What? Why though? Oh, so weird. Maybe.
Are you still working on the one for the code for the transparent?
Maybe it's because. Okay. Okay, I have an idea. We'll have it run the first time you get into the tank. So the first time you get into the tank, and then we'll do, okay. If parts equals nil, I think it's running before it initializes the entire thing. So we'll do, we make parts, and we do the whole thing. This is actually a good optimization anyways, so that this doesn't have to run whenever someone spawns a tank. Okay, here we go. Another attempt. Oh yeah, baby, that was it. It was doing it before it actually initialized the tank. And the nice thing is that this actually is super efficient now. It only does this when you enter the tank for the first time. So in the process of fixing this, we made it way more efficient. Because most Roblox developers don't care about how laggy something is. And clean code is rare on the platform. But we just made some very nice clean code, and now let's go ahead and test it together. Yay! No, I feel like this could be a good series if we just did this. This might be the future of Spike Viper content. Because believe it or not, a lot of people can play games, but not a lot of people can program. Well, still a lot, but not as many people can program. So it's a little bit more competitive as a YouTuber being able to program than game. A little bit. All right, guys, we got it. We got working game. 1000% more working this time. All right, hop in, loser. Oh God, what have you done? What have you done? Oh, jeez. You've made a mess. Let's get out of here. Oh, I just ran this man over. Alright. Alright, blow some people up. We're being shot at. We're being shot at. If you hold down shift, it moves slower. Nice hit, nice hit, nice hit. Take him out. They missed.
Oh, dear God.
Oh, we took a direct hit on the turret. We can't take too many of those. I also made it so that if the turret gets destroyed, it can't fire anymore. There was a funny amount of time in which you could actually just keep firing the turret even though it was like completely deconstructed. We're getting kind of wrecked. I believe in you. You can do it. You can take him out before he takes out the tank. We are taking heavy damage. Yes! Good hit. Good hit. Good hit.
Spike, take note of the guy with the white crawly thing.
Ah! 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 We're being invaded. Take note of who?
The guy in the white, the eyes blink. The crawling guy thingy.
What about them?
The eyes blink on the head.
Oh.
Scared me.
You guys have made quite the mess over here, not gonna lie. I can't trust you for four minutes on your own. You make a massive massacre of tanks. I love the drifting on these. It's so good. Look at the drift ability. Can you shoot him? Oh! I'm providing machine gunner support. We are being attacked by several tanks. We have taken major damage. Oh, they got me! Oh, no, no, no. And now I'm stuck in tank view as well. Oh, there it goes. Oh, God. Your turret fell off. It's just rolling. I know, I'm the greatest developer of all time. This is truly the future of gaming.
This game will actually be really cool when it's done.
Your tank is so much hotter than my tank. Alright. Well, guys, this was a fun little experiment. Thank you for sticking around. If you want to see the development of this and be invited to private play testing when we add the more sexy tanks,
Oh,
you
by
should
the way, Spike, did you see my tank so far?
you should join Valor. I did see the tank. That's why I said sexy tanks, because your tank's pretty sexy.
Yeah, it looks so good, and it's better than I thought it would come out. Don't look too close there. There's a few odd bits. I just figured out an issue in my tank, and I feel like I should assess it.
The
There's, like,
SMG
hole in the
feels
bottom
so
of the
good.
turret.
It's like a default Roblox asset, but they did a really good job with the weapon system. I did modify it so that it doesn't do first person when you're not holding it. Normally it like forces you to always be first person, and I thought that was dumb. But I'm gonna modify the rocket launcher to go first person when you hold it, so it's consistent.
The SMG's not first person.
I mean the like third person over shoulder. You know what I mean.
Yeah, I do.
I'm gonna turn you into a pickle. Alright, thank you all for testing. I appreciate it. Eventually there will be an actual game. Believe it or not. Eventually.
That's a shocker.
Bye.
I just realized something.
No, you didn't.